you might be wondering how you can get the value of a certain item in a list. And in order to do that, you can type the list, so ideas, then a pair of square brackets, and inside the square brackets, you type the number or index of the item that you're trying to get. So if we put ideas 1, and we were to run this, see I need to print this, so we tried to print ideas 1, we were to run this, it gives us motion detector host system, but that is actually the second item. And the reason for this is Python indexing does not start at 1. It actually starts at 0. So to get the first item, we'd have to put ideas 0. So if we were to run this, it gives us the first item. So go on a trip, and that is the first item of this list. But what if we put an index that's not actually in this list? So 3. So ideas 3 is actually trying to get the fourth item because it doesn't start at 1. So there is no fourth item in this list. So what do you think Python will do here? The answer is we actually get something called an index error, list index out of range, and all that's saying is that there's no fourth item in this list. So we tried to get a fourth item, but there is no fourth item in this list.